Hello, I wanted to take a minute and show you this 2015 GMC Acadia Denali. It is all-wheel drive and has the 6-cylinder 3.6-liter engine. It's a one-owner vehicle, local to North Carolina, with no accidents or damages reported. We do offer complimentary Carfax reports available here at the dealership or online through our website. And this Acadia also qualifies for guaranteed credit approval through the banks and credit unions that we work with. It has lots of options. I'm going to try to cover as many as I can in the video. It does have remote start and a power lift gate. The exterior is a beautiful pearl white and the interior is tan leather. The driver's seat is power. And your steering wheel has your Bluetooth, cruise controls, and audio controls. It also has a heated steering wheel. And it currently has only 90,000 miles. There we go. And it also has a power sunroof, along with navigation. That's also where your backup camera will display, and then your climate controls are below. It does have heated and cooled seats, so here's your air conditioned seat, and then your heated seat for the driver, and same for the passenger. And it also has heads up display. You can turn this on or off. I'm trying to get it where we can see it. There we go. The miles per hour can display there. And I also wanted to show you that it has the blind spot monitor in the side mirrors. And the second row seats are bucket seats, and it has an additional sunroof there. It does have a shade that can be closed if you prefer that. And then your rear air conditioning controls are on the back of the console. And your third row seat can seat up to 3 people. And this is with the cargo up, or excuse me, the third row seat up. If you need additional cargo room, you can lay down the third row seats. If you have any additional questions or would like to schedule a time to come in and take a closer look or test drive, please call us at 336-270-5104 or visit us online at ddtruckandauto.com. We look forward to talking to you soon.